Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Show as Pop-up for Gmail notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, or in the app screen, tap on the Google folder, and then tap on Gmail. Next, tap on the menu key, and from the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on the Gmail account that you are using, and then go down, and then tap on Manage Notifications. In here, tap on Show as Pop-up switch to turn it on or turn it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, or you can tap on the back key to go back to your inbox. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.